So most people solve this question like 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, right? Then again 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 times 5 is equal to 25, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here subtraction, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So now 10. Now solve this multiplication. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So minus 50 minus 5, right? Now here we have one subtraction and here subtraction. So both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 10 minus 50 is equal to minus 40 minus 5. Now minus 40 minus 5 is equal to minus 45. So the correct answer is minus 45, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.